Right now, you're blinking. In fact, by the time this video ends, you'll have blinked over 100 times without even thinking about it. But have you ever stopped to ask, why? Why do humans blink so often? Why does it happen automatically? And what would happen if you couldn't blink at all? Stay with me, because the answer is more fascinating and more important than you think. Blinking seems simple, just your eyelids closing and opening. But behind that tiny movement is a powerful system working non-stop to protect one of your most vital organs, your eyes. Let's break it down. Every time you blink, your eyelids spread a thin layer of tears across your eye. This isn't just water, it's a complex mixture of oils, mucus, and proteins. Think of it like a windshield wiper, but way more advanced. Try this. Stare at something in front of you and don't blink. Go ahead, I'll wait. Feeling that dryness, that discomfort. That's because your eyes are losing moisture, and fast. Blinking keeps your eyes hydrated, smooth, and clear so you can see properly. Without it, your vision would blur, and your eyes would quickly become irritated. Blinking isn't just about moisture, it's also your first line of defense. Dust, dirt, tiny invisible particles. They're constantly floating toward your eyes, but your body is ready. When something gets too close, blink! Your eyelids slam shut in a fraction of a second. This is called a reflex blink, and it's incredibly fast, faster than you can consciously react. Have you ever noticed how you blink instantly when something flies towards your face? That's your brain protecting your vision before you even realize there's danger. Blinking isn't random. It's controlled by your brain, specifically areas responsible for both automatic and voluntary movement. On average, humans blink about 15 to 20 times per minute. But here's where it gets interesting. Your blinking rate changes depending on what you're doing. Reading a book, you blink less. Using your phone, even less. Having a conversation, you blink more. Why? Because blinking is also connected to attention and emotion. Blinking isn't just biological, it's social. Yes, your blinks can actually communicate something. Studies suggest that people tend to blink more when they're relaxed and less when they're intensely focused. And sometimes blinking can even signal nervousness, stress, attraction, or deception. Next time you're talking to someone, pay attention to their blinking. You might notice patterns you've never seen before. Let's imagine something unsettling. What if you couldn't blink? Without blinking, your tear film would evaporate. Your eyes would dry out, then become irritated, then damaged. In extreme cases, this can lead to infections or even vision loss. There's a rare condition where people struggle to blink properly. And it shows just how critical this simple action really is. Blinking isn't optional. It's essential for survival. Now here's something that affects you directly. In today's world, we spend hours staring at screens, phones, laptops, TVs. And when we do, we blink less. Sometimes up to 50% less. That leads to dry eyes, eye strain, blurry vision. This is known as digital eye strain. Try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. And don't forget to blink. Blinking. It's something you've done your entire life. Thousands of times a day, millions of times a year, and yet it's so easy to overlook. But now you know. Every blink is a tiny act of protection, a silent guardian of your vision, a hidden rhythm of your body at work. So here's a question for you. How many times do you think you blinked today? Let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who blinks just as much as you do. See you in the next video. And don't forget to blink.